Good morning, people. This is your host, Jay, aka Deacon 170. We're here with the Bulls car, and guess what? We finally got our top done, baby. Finally got it done. Finally got it done. Finally got it done. Look at that, y'all. Completed. Car is completed, y'all. It is completed. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let's see if we can get up here. Get a good look at it. Yes. That is completed, guys. I like the way that looks. Yes. Look at that. So now that he got that done, that looks good, guys. That looks good. Got to give it all credit and thanks to Fast Science for getting this bad baby back together the way I want it and getting the top on it that I want on this car. And that's all I have to say, people. This is your boy Jay signing out, saying peace, be safe, be blessed. I will catch you guys later. I am out of here.